Just gonna run back to the truck real quick and grab the stickers. And I forgot about this building, so I want to show this to you guys too real quick. Oh, check that out, guys. I just seen that. I'm gonna zoom in. I don't really like zooming in. I think that's an abandoned house. Maybe we should check that out too. Hit a like button. Hit the like button if you guys think we should check this out. But anyways, I was saying, while Britt's grabbing those stickers, let's check this little whatever this is here. Kind of just watching out for snakes and critters and anything else that might be in here. Literally just 4 walls. I don't know. Maybe a changing room or something. That's it. But I mean, you know, the rain's coming up and I don't know if it's going to wash away or not. We'll just stick it right here. There we go. I don't really feel like it's going to stay on there very long. But see, we're not coming out here tagging or anything, and this is kind of disappear on its own eventually. Figure paper's biodegradable, so yeah, we should stick with. Hey, you know what? We didn't go down in this pool. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. Come down here. Oh.
Yeah, that's why I didn't.
Yeah, this is one. It's not really concrete. This is like a fiberglass pool. This is a fiberglass pool, man. I felt like I was gonna go right through that thing. That was a little creepy. So if you guys come out here, which I know there's a couple of YouTubers that I talked to that might want to come out and check this out, just be careful when you guys step down, because this is fiberglass. It looks like it's cement, but it's not. Alright, so I'm going to shut this off for a second because Britt wants to do her little photo shoot. There you go. Britt making her mark. Alright, so we're going to try to walk over to that house, see if we can include that in this video. Yeah, it's really hard to say. It's really hard to say what this was. Yeah, it could have been a bedroom too. Alright guys, we are walking over to that. We're gonna try. It looks abandoned from here. And I'm pretty sure if it wasn't, I'm sure somebody still lived in it, took care of it. Well, yeah, there would be windows, but if you guys can see, that that tree is kind of overtaking that house. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure if it was occupied, that wouldn't be happening. I know if that was my house, I wouldn't, you know, wouldn't let that happen. But I don't know. I guess we won't know till we know. Yeah.
And we'll record it this time.
Yeah. Oh no, look, this goes right to it, so that might even still be part of the property. Well, there's somebody living in that house right there. So we'll make this quick because I don't know if our cover's been blown. Britt, our cover's been blown. Hurry. But we'll try to make it quick. I don't know if these people are seeing us or not. As long as there isn't any no trespassing signs, then we should be able to get over there. Looks like it might be closed up pretty tight though. Might be theirs? Well, we should close it off. Oop. Yeah, we're out in the middle of nowhere, so it would take the sheriff at least a good 20 minutes to get out here. I doubt they're gonna come rolling with lights and sirens just for us. Alright, so real quick, guys, there's no trespassing. There isn't any trespass, no trespass. Dude, this is like a tongue twister for me. There isn't any no trespassing signs displayed for this property. And okay, and we're not here to destroy anything. We're just here to explore. We're gonna check it out. You know, it's funny, these things look pretty new for all this being abandoned. I guess I'm kind of, Brit's kind of nervous, so she's gonna stay back there. Which, hey, you know, I don't blame her. Gotta have a lookout when you're committing a crime, right? No. That'd be cool if there was still like a marquee or something out there for this exotic world. There we go. Nice and cold in here, I'll tell you that much. Hello, anybody here? Yeah, look at this thing's closed up pretty good. I'm not jumping through no windows, guys. I ain't in any shape to be doing that. Oh, it is open. Let's see. Alright guys, I'm gonna shut this off just for a quick second so I can hit the light. This way we can see what we're doing in here. Alright, got the light going. It's not a big light, but it's just enough. Hello, anybody here? To be honest, this is a little creepy. It's an old school house. I'm surprised that toilet's still intact. Just a quick walkthrough. There's some mold on the ceiling. You can tell there's been squatters here. They're trying to cover up the windows. And oh, look at that. Oh, that's part of the bathroom. I was thinking, what did I miss back there? So what'd you say, guys? A little two-bedroom house. And this would probably be like the kitchen. Unless this was the kitchen. Yeah, it's hard to tell. Cool little house though. Not much to see. Another pile of something there. Oh look, there's something in that tree there. Let's see if we can see what's in this tree real quick. Yeah. Wow, this dirt's pretty marshy. Till something got knocked down. Oh, it's just a trailer. Nothing interesting about that. Cool. So that's our adventure. Our adventure for the day. Alright guys, real quick before we get out of here, just missed this thing on the way in. It's really nothing, just a little like retaining wall and whatever that is, probably like a statue or water fountain or something. But before we get out of here, if you guys could like this video, I would really appreciate it. It would let YouTube know to start sharing my videos with others. Also subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys don't miss out on anything. Subscribing is a bonus for me, guys. I would really appreciate it. We're at 197 subscribers right now, so trying to get over that 300 mark. You know, I only need 3 more. I'm hoping to be able to do it by the next video that comes out. But yeah, that's about it. Give the video a like again if you guys liked what you've seen today. Thanks for watching. It's directing me to take pictures, guys. Help.